Y'all see my eyebrows? Don't worry about them. And you know how people say something about you when you was a kid and you say your mama? If you talk about my eyebrows, your mama. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. This is a chit chat. Sit down and get ready with me. I'm starting off with my hair wrap. This is how you look. We're gonna start from scratch, raw and uncut. Y'all feel like something wrong with y'all because y'all don't look like y'all cute before y'all get cute. Nothing wrong with you. I really don't have anything in particular right off the bat to talk to you guys about. I'll just go on Instagram and let me know ahead of time what y'all want to talk about. And as I'm messing with my brows and y'all learning from the girl from the pro. Nah, I ain't no bro. Meanwhile, what y'all can do while y'all waiting on me, click on the subscription button and the notification button down below. Okay? And as we move along with the brows, we'll kick out a little conversation. I heard y'all. Don't be saying no hell no, I don't know what I do know what I'm doing. But anyway, I was wondering, do y'all want me to continue to do the McDonald's runs, the rants, and the pranks at McDonald's? And it don't have to just be limited to McDonald's, let me tell you. It could be any restaurant. But I was kind of honestly thinking that y'all probably have gotten over that. But I decided to just ask y'all and stop trying to have a brain freeze over here trying to figure it out. Matter of fact, have y'all subscribed to Straight Outta Grease TV? Because a lot of the McDonald's videos are over there. Or do y'all rather for me to like have it on this channel? You know, so just let me know. I need y'all feedback. See me, I love people to be truthful with me. You know, there's never a reason to lie to me. Not even when you think, oh, I don't want to hurt her feelings. No. Tell me the truth, because lies don't help. The way I can grow my channel and get better on here, get better in life, anything that you want to tell me, if I can learn from it, grow from it, do better, you know, improve from it, let me know. Don't feel like you're gonna hurt my feelings. Matter of fact, I don't even have people that come on and say malicious things to me, and it wind up being great content, great information. I didn't even have somebody that say something really mean in person to me, and I'm like, excuse me, could you elaborate on that? Could you tell me a little bit more on why do you feel that way? And it's like they felt like, you know, they was being real rude and straight to the point, blunt, and I'm going to let you have it. I'm just going to give it to you on raw and uncut. It hurt your feelings. And I was like, no, ma'am. It didn't hurt. I really want to know, how did you derive to that decision, that perception of me, so that, you know, if it's something that I'm missing, I can change it. So by all means, share, you know. And I'm encouraging you guys to do the same thing. Like, you'll never see me get mad about the things you say. And I'm going to allow you to express yourself the best way possible. Because some people call you bitches and hoes because that's the only way they know how to express themselves. They can articulate on a higher level. You get what I mean? So anyway, but that's what I'm saying, Dream Family. Just go ahead and just talk to me. We are family. I really feel like we really have a connection. We are truly family. It's not just YouTuber subscriber. No, we're family. We're family. So tell me the truth and I'm going to tell you the truth. And let me tell you guys something. As we grow and as we get our channel bigger, because small YouTuber, who? We're not small, but we are big, okay? This is a big channel. We are big, y'all. Forget what anybody say. And as we get bigger, we're not going to have any scandals because from day one, we're going to be true to ourselves, okay? I'm going to say what I want to say. Y'all going to say what y'all want to say. I'm going to always be me. See, that's the thing. When people feel like they have restrictions on what they can say, that's when they become fake and phony. And then you be like, why? This person was so phony. No, because y'all put restrictions on. We can always be open and honest on this channel. I can't speak about nobody else's channel but mine, okay? I love you just the way you are. Y'all see my eyebrows? Don't worry about them. Your mama. Don't worry about my eyebrows. And you know how people say something about you when you was a kid and you say your mama? Your mama. If you talk about my eyebrows, your mama. Okay, don't worry about how they look now. Just worry about how they gonna look when I finish. Okay? The way y'all walk out the door is very, very important. Like, for instance, let me tell y'all this. And I'm sorry I have to look down, but y'all know I gotta do my makeup, so I can't look at you and be doing this unless, and that's a whole nother video. Do your makeup without looking. If y'all want to see that, y'all comment down below and I'll do it. But right now, I'm finna be looking at what I'm doing. Y'all just listen, okay? Y'all can sweep the floor, do something, and listen. Because I ain't looking at y'all. Y'all ain't got to look at me, okay? Okay. Because y'all know I don't really know how to do no makeup. We just getting ready. Just be surprised and get back in front of the camera and be like, ooh, let me see how she look. Make sure you always on point, right? Like, for instance, my mama, right? My mama, right? When we going out, right? Like, right now, but like when I take her out to an appointment or to the movies or something, right? She be looking over at me like, oh, you look so nice. Like that. But then she, you know what? She'll just flip up her little sun visor, right? And she be looking at it. And then she be complaining. I'll be like, hey, you got to take your time. This take time and effort, okay? You got to pay attention to detail. I'm going to give you a couple of steps on how to make it easier. For one, when you take your shoes off, wipe them down. Make sure they clean. Put them away so when you get ready to leave the next time, they're already ready. Always have 3 to 5 outfits always on deck. Matching shoes, purses, the whole thing ready to go. Another thing to make sure you always on point, what is it? Make sure you tie your hair down at night. Care if you're just putting it in a gel down fan ponytail. Whatever you're gonna do it at night. What else? Another tip. Always make sure you have white and black shirts. More than one. Because y'all know how much white and black shirts match with stuff. And it's like every time you get ready to wear it, your white shirt is dirty, right? And then always have you some earrings. Dollar earrings are the best. These earrings cost me 50 cents out of H&M. Okay? Always just have a whole bunch of earrings. Because whether you're going to the gym, wherever you're going, make sure you have on some earrings. So you always look on point. So, but anyway, even if I'm going to walk the dog, okay? My dog even look better than you, okay? And I ain't talking about y'all. I'm talking about, like, I'm going to tell y'all what I'm talking about. Because imagine this, like, who would you want to see you looking all jacked up? Your ex? Your hater? The guy that you, or the girl that you would want to holler at and get with? Which one of them would you prefer to see you looking raggedy? None. That's the answer. That don't sit here and try to figure it out. It's none. The answer is none. Okay? Like if I see my hater, like you gonna see my dog even look better than you. Okay? If you walking your dog through your neighborhood, right? You can easily cop out and say, "Oh, I was just walking my dog." That don't matter. That don't matter. You see how Kim Kardashian and all the rest of them, Beyonce have paparazzis? You have paparazzis too, okay? Your haters. Cause you know they're equipped with cell phones. Cause what if they're in your neighborhood? Yes. And then they take a picture of you and you was all talking that trash. She wind up taking a picture of you looking raggedy and post you on social media. You'll be mad. Even like if I'm talking about somebody, right? And I got a little hater. I wanna make sure I look good. So whenever you show somebody me, they're gonna be like, well, what's her name though? She look good though. You know what I mean? That's how you want her to be. You don't want her to be all hyping her in the background saying, oh yeah, she look horrible. That bitch look tired. No. You know what I'm saying? Let me ask y'all this. Now, can you imagine like this dude that broke up with you, right? You out in public and he with this chick and she put together and you look foolish. You don't want to melt it to the floor, but you can't. And this is why I'm doing this, to show you guys how easy it is to put yourself together. This is only gonna take you maybe 15 minutes to do. Now, if you still walk outside, that's just who you are. You ever like even wanted to run out the door? You just running to take somebody somewhere, or you just, you know, just take me to work right quick, I'm running late. No ma'am, I gotta get ready. You should have got up earlier. I'm not running out the door. Because how many times you done ran out the door and figure like, I'm just going down the street and I'll be right back. Then you wind up seeing a Marshalls or TJ Maxx or something. And you be like, oh, I want to stop right there. Because if I go all the way back home and I'm right here, go home, I'm right here. And then you start to figure out the logic of just going in there looking like a hobo, right? And then you wind up again, running into somebody you don't want to see. You want to be able to look at them and be like, oh, girl, you look like that? You ever had somebody to tell you, oh, they done ran out of gas or they stuck on the side of the road? I still gotta get ready. You might be like, girl, it's some more important things than people. I don't care how people feel. You sure enough don't. That's you. Because the thing is, people treat you according to how you look. Like you might get a guy that'll stop by and help you change that tire for you or your sister. Because both of y'all look like a, they ain't gonna stop. They ain't gonna stop. So guys, this is my little 5 minutes. Get ready. And this is my chit chat telling y'all why it's important to always look your best. I didn't even have females to treat me shady because the way I look. People are drawn to beauty. Anyway, this is the finished look. You're gonna stick it into the bun, into your hair, into the ponytail, the knot, underneath the rubber band, and then you pull it back and you push the other comb in. There you have it. It's the finished look. I hope you guys absolutely enjoyed it. I hope it helped you guys, and I enjoyed talking to you guys. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you take this opportunity to do so. Click on the subscription button and the notification, and I'll see you all in the next video.